Namaste. I'm Archana. A warm welcome to you. Today we are going to be practicing Suryanamaskaras together, where I'm going to be sharing a few alignment tips which we can use on how we position our body during the practice. This is going to help prevent injuries as well as we can get the most out of our practice. There are many different ways of doing the Surya Namaskaras. There are different methods of doing the Surya Namaskara. Today, our focus is going to be on the 12-step method of the Hatha Yoga Suryanamaskaras. So we're going to begin by doing a quick warm-up. So let's sit tall, keep our back straight, and just settle down for a few seconds. Close your eyes, palms facing the ceiling. Just breathing in through our nose. Breathing out through the nose. And breath in through the nose. And out through the nose. We're going to take one deep breath in. And this time, as we breathe out, let's chant one round of Om. Breath in. Om. One more breath in. And whenever you feel ready, bring your hands in front of your eyes and now gently open your eyes with a few blinks. So let's begin with our warm-ups. We're going to begin with our neck. With the tip of our nose, we're going to draw 5 circles in the air, clockwise. Your choice, you can keep your eyes closed or open. Now when we're doing anti-clockwise, we can use our chin to draw circles in the air. That way we are, moving or stretching our neck more. And 5. Now breathe in, reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Breathe out, turn and look towards the right side, keeping our spine straight. Left hand on our right knee. Right hand just behind our buttocks here. Parivritta Sukhasana. From here, I'm taking my right hand and reaching all the way towards the left side of the room. Parshava Sukhasana. From here back. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out to the other side. Back is nice and straight. Right hand on the left knee. Reach the left hand out. Just stretching the spine in all directions. And back. Breathe in. Hands come up. Now as you breathe out, pull your navel in. Drop your chin towards the chest. Hands come forward. And now as you breathe out, turn your palms behind. Push the chest forward. Shoulders roll back. Shoulder blades towards the midline. Palms come as close as possible here. Breathe out. Just imagine you have a huge ball and you're getting all the air out of that ball. Rounding our back. Seated. Cat and cow. Again. And last one. Just notice how you feel in your head. Roll your shoulders. You can just bring your shoulders all the way up to the ears. Hold it there. Keep breathing in and out. And then exhale. And drop your shoulders down again. Breathe in. Just notice all the muscles in your neck, your shoulders, upper back, and down. Last one. And back. Now, we're going to come onto our knees and palms. Here we're going to place our knees below our hips, our wrist below our shoulders. Our toes are behind our knees. Now as we breathe in, arch. Just remember this moment. Breathe out. Rounding our back. Here back is nice, neutral. Arch. Gaze forward. Breathe out. And round. So we're going to be coming into this tabletop position or this
on your palms and your knees when we are going to be transitioning through different asanas. Now press your toes onto the mat. Lift your knees up. Hips can be shoulder width apart, hip width apart, or even wider. It's your choice here. Now bend the right knee. Push the left heel into the mat. Bend. Remember to keep your toes in line. They're in the same line. You're just lifting the heel and dropping it. Alternate. Legs here. 2 and 1. Now slowly walk your palms back here towards your feet. Your knees can stay bent. Breathe in. Reach up. Keeping our back straight here. As flat as we can. Or for some of us it may be here. Just remembering we're not doing this. We're keeping the back straight. Like you're hinging from your hip. Knees are nice and straight, not locked. The back is nice and straight. We can be here or we can be here. Now breathe out. Bend your knees. Drop your head down. Like you're resting your belly onto your thighs. Again, breathing in. Halfway lift. Breathe out completely, moving down, looking between your legs, breathing in. Halfway lift, your gaze is forward and down. Now this time, breathing in, we're going to roll up, roll the shoulders back, your neck. Now we're going to be doing the Suryanamaskaras. We'll do one leading with the right leg and one with the left. Now come to the top edge of your mat. A few things to remember before we begin the practice is to try and keep our joints soft all throughout the practice and not to lock any of the joints. And the second thing is to keep breathing in and out continuously during the practice and never to hold our breath. So let's begin. Bring your palms in front of your thighs, feet firmly on the mat, knees nice and straight, not locked. Breathe in. Reach your hands all the way up towards the ceiling. Push your pelvis forward and arch your back, arms and ears in line. Hatha Yoga Suryanamaskara. Now as you breathe out, push your hips behind, hinging from your hips here, arms and ears in line. Or your back can be here. Anything is fine. And then breathe out. Drop your palms onto the earth, your feet, keeping your knees nicely bent. Padahastasana. Stay here, breathing in and breathing out. Press the palms onto the earth. Lift your right leg and place it as far behind as you can. Stack the left knee over the left ankle. Drop the right knee onto the mat. Ashvasanchalasana, equestrian pose. Breathe in and breathe out. You can either be on your palms or you can be on your fingertips. Now press your palms into the earth. I'm going to show you the easy way of going into Chaturanga Dandasana. Remember, coming to tabletop, your wrist below your shoulders, your knees below your hip. Press your feet into the mat. Lift the knees off the mat, pull your navel in and stay here breathing in. Your gaze can be at the top edge of your mat or between your palms. Stay here. Breathe in and out. Now, knees nice and wide, big toes to touch. Place your hips onto your heels. You can come all this way or you can stay here. Whatever works for you, just drop the chin in the direction of your chest, forehead in the direction of the mat. You may have to adjust your palms. Child's pose, Shashankasana. From here, now move your legs behind, lie down on your belly. We're going to Ashtanga Namaskara, 8 parts of a body on the floor. Toes engage. Press your palms into the earth, chest, chin or forehead. Then lift your seat off the mat. Elbows are close to your body. Gaze can be forward. Stay here, breathing in and breathing out. Palms below your shoulders. And now breathe in. I'm coming up to Bhujangasana. Try to keep my shoulders down. My shoulders are away from the ears. Staying here, breathe in. Keeping your legs together, breathe out. Now this is baby cobra. Once you're comfortable here, you can come all this way, but still remember to keep your elbows slightly bent and close to your body. Now press your toes onto the mat. Come back to tabletop. We're going to be using this position to transition into different poses. Engage the toes. Lift the knees up. Now this time, I'm trying to drop my heels onto the mat, keeping my knees straight or bent, whatever works for you. Arms and ears in line, feet together. Breathe in and breathe out in Parvatasana. Again, knees nice and wide, big toes to touch. Shashankasana. Now press your palms into the earth. Now I'm going to bring my right foot and place it between my palms. Gaze forward. Ashvasanchalasana. Press into the earth. Lift your left knee off the mat. Left foot joins the right. Padahastasana. You can hold even the back of your calf. Now, arms and ears come in line. Hinge here. Breathe in. Push your pelvis forward. Arch your back. And bring your hands to Namaskara Mudra. Now we're going to be leading with our left leg. Same thing. Breathe in. Reach up. Palms in front of our thighs. Hasta Uttasana. Hinging at a hip, come down. Padahastasana. You can round your back here. Stay here, breathe in. As you breathe out, bring your chest closer towards your thigh. Press your palms onto the mat. Lift your left leg. Take it all the way behind. Stack the right knee over the right ankle. Drop the left knee onto the mat. Come either on your palms or toes. Breathing in and out. Ashvasanchalasana. Now this time I'm going to directly go from here to Chaturanga Dandasana. Here. Lift the left knee off the mat. Right foot joins the left. Your wrist below your shoulders. Chaturanga Dandasana. Breathe in. Pull your navel in. Everything else stays the same. And breathe out. Now, knees nice and wide, big toes to touch. Rest in child pose. Now, I'm directly going to go into Ashtanga Namaskara also here. Bring your knees together, toes and knees on the mat, palms just slightly away from the shoulder. Now, elbows close to your body. Breathe out. Drop your chest onto the mat. Chin or forehead. Ashtanga. Breathe in. Up. Bhujangasana. Don't do this. Pull the shoulders down. Elbows close to your body. Gaze forward. Engage the toes. Now, directly from here, engage the toes. Lift your belly off, lift the knee up. Come to mountain pose, Parvatasana. Breathe in. And breathe out. Back, knees nice and wide, big toes to touch. Shashankasana. Now bring your left foot between your palms.
Feel nice stretch in the front of your thigh here. Breathing in, breathing out. Press your feet, lift. Padahastasana. Breathe in, arms and ears in line here. All the way up, push the pelvis forward, arch your back. Breathe out. Steady. Once you're done with the practice, you can lie down in Shavasana for a few minutes. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice. I hope this video was helpful. For more content like this, please like and subscribe. I appreciate your support. And if you have any queries, if you have any questions, you can always write to me in the comments below. Namaste.